opened your PG&E bill and thought, this cannot be right, but it is. Energy prices have gone up, and a lot. And the real problem is most homeowners don't actually know why they're paying more and what to do about it. First, let's start with the obvious. Rates are rising. PG&E has increased electricity prices multiple times, and those increases add up fast. Infrastructure, wildfire preventions, grid upgrades, all of that gets passed down to you. Even if you're using the same amount of energy, your bill can still go up. But here's what most people miss. Even if nothing is broken, your equipment might be inefficient. Older HVAC systems, outdated appliances, they work harder than they should and use more energy every single day. And you don't really notice until the bills show up. Another big factor is when you use electricity, PG&E uses time to use pricing. That means power costs more during peak hours, usually late afternoon and evening. If you are running appliances, charging your car, or blasting AC, those hours you're paying premium rates, like 50 cents per kilowatt. And let's be honest, heating and cooling are usually the biggest part of your bill. If your HVAC system isn't efficient, it can easily become your #1 expense. Even small issues like dirty filters or duct leaks can quietly increase your costs. Now, what you can actually do. Start with simple things. Shift your energy use to off-peak hours, upgrade to energy-efficient appliances when it's possible, seal windows, improve insulation, use a smart thermostat, and keep your HVAC system properly maintained. These steps help, but they don't fix the core problem if your system itself is inefficient. The real solution is understanding where your energy is going. A proper inspection can show what's wasting energy, where you're losing money, and which upgrades will actually make sense. A lot of people try to save money by using less air conditioning, fewer appliances, but the smarter move is making your home just more efficient, because when your system runs right, you save money every single month. There is no single reason your PG&E bill is high. It's usually a combination of the higher rates, how you use energy, and how efficient your home really is. But once you understand that, you can control it. If your energy bills keep going up and you don't know why, don't guess. Your equipment or HVAC system could be the reason. The Fuse service can inspect your system, optimize it, or upgrade it when it makes sense. When not, we won't touch it. We will just say, do something with your energy using. Click the link and schedule your inspection and service with Fuse service right now.